Hey, Two Coats here with another quick tip. Hey, you see that guy up there on the wall? Yeah, you guys forget to change that, and you wake up in the middle of the night with that thing chirping at you, and you're trying to fumble and trying to find a battery. This is just a quick tip. I like to do it like every 6 months, every time the time changes, so you don't forget about it. And I like to write on the batteries, like when I change them, so when you do check them, see how long it's been since then. So that's just a quick tip for you.